8 divided by 1 over 2 times 2. We can cancel this 2 and this 2, which will give us 1. And then 8 divided by 1 gives us 8, but this answer is incorrect. In this question, we have one division and one multiplication. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority. And we have to go from left to right. So we start with 8 divided by 1 over 2. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So, now we have 8 times 2 times 2. First, 8 times 2 gives us 16, and then 16 times 2 gives us 32. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 32.